In his disaster and damage assessment of Bali City and Antipolo, from way up in the skies, the President instructed an even more sustained delivery of relief and assistance to the hard-hit areas after getting wind of reports from the Office of Civil Defense or OCD. The details in this report.
Do I look sick? Yan ang kailangan natin bantayan. Mga fake news na ganyan, huwag kayong naniniwala unless it comes from a credible source.
This was President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s response to post circulating on social media with the hashtag, "Nasaan ang Pangulo?" The President emphasized he is well and in good physical condition, even leading the situational briefing at the NDRRMC regarding the impact of Tropical Storm Enteng and the Habagat. He also denied that he had a medical emergency.
Ang dami kong kaibigan tumawag sa akin, okay ka ba? Okay ka ba? Wala, kalukuhan lang yan.
You were in the palace sa bahay niyo kahapon, sir?
I was in the most of the day, yes. I had a meeting in the morning. I had a command conference with some of our commanders, and I spent the rest of the day reading my briefs and doing paperwork. Nagulat lang ako when they said that there was medical emergency.
Medical emergency.
Sir, which is why we were asking you directly.
It's totally and completely fake. I do not even have a cold. I do not have anything wrong with me. I'm fine. Thank you for your concern.
The President also conducted an aerial inspection over several parts of Marikina and Antipolo to personally assess the damage left by Tropical Storm Enteng. He said plans are still in place for greater flood control to address flooding, especially as the population grows and waste management problems worsen.
Imbis na pataas yung ating mga flood protection, dapat ang plano natin in a bigger scale na maglagay tayo ng mga impounding sa taas ng ilog. Huwag na natin pababain ang tubig dito sa Maynila. Dahil sa ganyan, hindi mo na makontrol pagka ganyan highly populated na ganito. Hindi mo talaga makontrol yung pagdaan ng tubig. Yung tubig na dapat bababa sa city, hindi na bababa. Nandun na maiipon na dun sa mga impounding. Pangalawa, meron tayong tubig pag tag-araw, pang-irrigation, pang-water supply.
According to the latest report from the Office of Civil Defense, over 440,000 families or 1.7 million individuals have been affected by Tropical Storm Enteng and the Habagat. The number of reported deaths and injuries has risen to 15 each in the Calabarzon and several provinces in the Visayas due to drowning and landslides, while more than 20 are still missing. Following the President's directive, a steady flow of aid is reaching affected residents with over 31 million pesos in assistance already distributed by the government and local authorities. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.